weird. It's not like my mom to forget to pick me up, and she's not answering her phone either. Maybe one of my friends is here so I can hang out with them while I wait for my mom. Hey Mom, are you okay? I mean, I'm at school and you kind of forgot to pick me up. Maybe you got stuck with like a customer at work or something. Anyways, I'm gonna go start walking home. Bye. That's so strange she's not answering. Looks like nobody's home. Maybe I'll just use my key. Why isn't my key working? It fits but it won't turn. It's like someone changed the lock. Ugh. I give up. Maybe I'll just go wait at the park till Mom comes home. I guess I'll try Mom and see if she's close to home. Hey, there goes Mom's car. I'll go ask her if she can pick me up from school. Mom, where have you been? You didn't even pick me up from school today.
Do I know you?
Mom, it's me, your daughter, Jenna. Like, why didn't you pick me up from school today? And the key to the house and work, can you just, like, let me in the house?
I don't know who you are.
Mom, you've got to be kidding me.
You're scaring me.
Mom!
I'm sorry. I don't
What
know
are you
who
doing? Mom! Mom! What am I gonna do? That was the weirdest thing ever. Why didn't she even recognize me? Maybe I'll call Dad. Hi Dad, Mom's been acting really strange and like, what time are you gonna be home? Because I need to get in the house. Dad, it's me. He hung up on me. I don't know what's going on with my parents. Maybe I'll just come back later and try again. Hey, Dad's home. Maybe I'll go around back. Hello? Anybody home? Can't find anyone. Whatever, you know, I've had a really long day. Maybe I'll just go lay down in my room. Who are you and what are you doing in my room?
Who are you? This is my room. Mom! There's a crazy person in my room!
Who are you and how did you get in here? Honey, are you okay?
I'm okay, she scared me though.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mom. What are you doing and what happened to my real mom? This is my room and that's my bed. And who is this?
Your room? This is my room. And that's not your mom, it's my mom.
Look, sweetie, I think you're confused or maybe lost. Can I call somebody for you?
If I was gonna call someone, I'd call you, because you're my mom.
No, you'd be calling my mom.
No.
I'm sorry, honey, but you're gonna have to leave.
What? Why?
I'm sorry, sweetie. It's time for you to go.
No. This is my house.
It's not your house.
Yes, it is.
No, I'm
no,
sorry.
No.
Goodbye.
No, Mom.
chance to get a shout out in next week's video.
Comment down below if something strange has ever happened to you.
This wasn't strange. You walked in my room.
Excuse me, this is my room.
Obviously my room. There's a J for Johnson.
Obviously a J for Jenna.
No, last name's more important. Okay.
First name is more important, okay?
Whatever.
Anyways, see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.